Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone here is doing well. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here, I'm Alex. I make videos about birds. I've recently finished up a series about my trip to California this summer, and that was an amazing trip. I had lots of lifers, and if that's a new term for you, that means birds that I've never photographed before, which is essentially why I do this. It's like a big scavenger hunt. How many bird species can you photograph? And there's a lot of birds in the world. There's over 10,000, hopefully. So it's pretty fun, and there's always potential for some lifers, and that's what I'm hoping for this morning. Today, I'm in a place that I used to come here a lot, and it was my favorite spot when I lived in this area. It's the French Basin Trail in Annapolis, and man, I'm telling you, we had such an amazing sunrise on the drive here, and the light here is absolutely gorgeous. Check this out. Well, while the light's still great, I'm gonna get to it. I'm hoping to see some different types of ducks. This pond's really good for that. I've started my eBird checklist, so let's go see what we can find. If you are new here, I haven't done this in a while, so today and every day until I upgrade, I'm shooting on a Canon T7i crop sensor APS-C camera. Jeez, there's a couple pheasants in there. Okay, birds, yes. And then the lens that I use is a Sigma 150 to 600. With the crop sensor factor, I get like 960 millimeters for my focal length, so extremely zoomed in, lets you get nice and close to all the birds. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of birds right here. I saw them in the drone shot. I didn't want to get too close to scare them. Holy. Oh yeah, I see like hundreds of birds. What? Crazy. That's just like, that's what's close. Further away, I see a bunch of geese. And I see lots and lots of birds down in that direction. So I think I'll start going this way. This trail, if you've never seen a video from here before, I did shoot a few videos here in the spring and some last year. This trail goes around the pond. It's just over 2 kilometers, I think, so nice walk. It's a beautiful morning here in mid to late October. Annapolis Royal, Nova Scotia. It's called the French Basin Trail if you want to search it up. It's a birding hotspot. One of my favorite spots in the Annapolis Valley. Oh man. Actually, you know what? I am gonna walk this way because I'd rather be coming in this direction on the other side for the light. That's a green-winged teal. One of many, I'm sure. There's one right here in the light that looks absolutely perfect. You know what? I think that's a widgeon. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Oh, cool. I have to double check. I'm not the best at IDing ducks or waterfowl, but I think definitely the one with the green, I think, is an American widgeon. I've seen them before, only here. And actually that whistling high-pitched call is an American widgeon, according to Merlin. A bunch of upside down geese. Couple of mallards right here. It's a male and female together. The light right here looks so pretty, but I'm a little late for fall migrants like warblers and small songbirds. This section of the trail was excellent last year in like September, but mid to late October, it's a bit late. Might still find a few late ones. These are mallards. That's something different. A ringneck duck. Oh, there's a wood duck. Two wood ducks right there. Wow. Okay. That one looks nice. So this is a good example of editing. So that's before any edits. And that's after. In terms of exposure, the light's not perfect on her. I'm not sure. Oh, wow. There's so many. Here's some buffleheads. The white ones, and then that's a ringneck duck, I think. Wow. Oh my gosh, there's so many different types. And there's like hundreds. What do we got right here? A wood duck. A group of wood ducks. That's the male on the left and then two females. Oh my gosh. This is the most I've ever seen here. By far. Usually there's like 100 birds. This is like, I can't even imagine how many I have to estimate for my eBird count. Like, I mean, just in this frame right here. I mean, I got buffleheads, Canada geese, mallards for sure. There's probably something else thrown in there. Wow. I wonder if there's any northern shovelers in here. That would be another type. So bright. I apologize if that's just beaming in your face. But from my experience, it actually looks really pretty on camera. The GoPro does a pretty good job despite the sun being so bright. Oh yeah. I'm almost to where I have to turn anyway. Huh. I don't remember these signs being here, but I was wrong. It's only 1.2 kilometers around, not 2. If I was to see any more forested birds, you know, cuckoos, tanagers, warblers, might be in here. Some tall evergreen trees, tall deciduous trees. Habitat heterogeneity, as I've been studying as part of my master's. I don't know what that one is. Maybe a teal, and I can't see its feather because right next to it there's a teal. Right here, I'm waiting for him to turn. This one. Yeah. They look like they're friends. Yeah, there's a bit of a green feather there. This wood duck over here looks cool. There. The light's like right on him. It's almost too bright. Just take another general shot to get the scope of how many birds there are here. Like, that's crazy. There's so many. Oh, those look really nice. Oops. Didn't mean to take two. Get a bit lower here. These ones are in the light. Those are different, I think. I gotta check the white spot on the side of the head. There's a loon way out there. Cool. Oh, there's so many right here. That's another widgeon. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, there's something else. I think. What is that? It's cleaning its feathers right now. I can't see, but it's something different, I think. I don't know. Maybe a pintail. See the size comparison. There's like a green-winged teal that's right next to it that's so much smaller. So the large one in the middle I think is a northern pintail, and then there's some green-winged teals to the left and an American black duck on the right. I'll zoom out a little bit here. He's right above me. Just munching on some berries. See my lens, this is zoomed out all the way, so 150, and then on my lens that's like 2 something with the crop factor. So if I want to get that whole thing in focus, I'm going to take like 6 shots, not in focus but in the frame. So that's the reflection. Actually I'm going to take another 3. So that's 9 shots to get that. Earlier this year in the spring, this section of the trail was loaded with tree swallows. Haven't seen any now, they're long gone. Well, I'm just walking back to the car, I'm almost there. That was an amazing way to start the day. Got a few meetings down in this part of the valley today, so that's why I woke up nice and early to come to the French Basin Trail. This morning we saw lots of different ducks. Ring-billed ducks, wood ducks, mallards, black ducks, gadwalls. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah, of course, the American widgeon, buffleheads. Probably missing a few in there. I didn't see any warblers, so I think they've all moved on for the season. But beautiful light this morning. Glad I came. Always happy to visit the French Basin Trail. It's probably going to be my last time here this year, so I'll come here next spring. But until then, I'm saying farewell to the French Basin Trail. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like down below. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any more videos about birds. Still got lots of content to release over the winter. I'm slowing down a little bit in terms of editing because I'm pretty busy with school, but I promise there's more videos coming. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day.